Question 10 of this exercise is on population growth. Here's what it says. The population of a place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at a rate of 5% per annum. Then it says find the population is in 2001, and it also says what would be the population in 2005. So the population is growing. In 2001, the population was a certain amount. We have to find that. In 2003, we know the population, that's 54,000. And using this, we also have to find what the population will be in 2005. Now, the idea behind growth is actually similar to compound interest. If you have the rate of growth, in this case, it's 5% per annum, you can find out the growth factor per year. So I like to call it the growth factor. So the growth factor is 1 plus the rate of growth. So 1 plus 5 by 100 in this case, which is 1.05. So what this means is that if you have the population of 1 year, the population of the next year is simply 1.05 times the previous year's population. For example, if your population this year is 100, then the population next year will be 100 into 1.05. So it will be 105. The population the year after will be 105 into 1.05 and so on. You can find the population for any year. So what we'll do is, first, to find the population in 2001, we will assume that the population in 2001 is X. Okay. Now this means that the population in 2002 will be X times the growth factor, or 1.05X, and the population in 2003 will be again 1.05 times this number, so 1.05 square times X. So this is actually similar to the compound interest formula. In compounded, if you compare this expression to the compound interest formula, you will have the initial population X times 1 plus the rate of growth 5 by 100 and 2 cycles of growth, because from 2001 to 2003 there are 2 years that elapse. So this is what you get, 1.05 square times X. But we also know that the population in 2003 is 54,000. This is given to us. So from here we can equate the two expressions. So 1.05 square times X must be equal to 54,000, and from here we can find our value of X. So X will be 54,000 by 1.05 square. 1.05 square is 1.1025, and if you carry out this division, this would be roughly equal to 48,980. And the other way to have done this calculation is, instead of taking this as a decimal number 1.05, you could have converted it into a fraction and simplified. But both will give you the same answer. So the population in 2001 is roughly 48,980. I have rounded off the answer, so this is the number that I get. Now we have the population in 2003. So what will be the population in 2005? So it will be simply the population in 2003, which is 54,000, into the growth factor multiplied twice, because from 2003 to 2005 there are 2 years. So we can do 1.05 and square. So this will be the population in 2005. So this is equal to 54,000 into 1.1025, and this is this roughly comes out, rounded off, it comes out to be 59,535. So the population in 2005 will be 59,535. So this is the question, this is the answer to question 10. The population in 2001 was 48,980, and in 2005 it will be 59,535. So that completes question number 10. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.